How to paper trade stocks on Webull as a complete beginner. Jumping into the app, paper trading is one of the best features you can use to go from zero experience to confidently trading and investing. You can buy and sell stock, test out trading strategies, practice using different order types, and get comfortable with Webull itself 100% risk-free. To use paper trading, make sure you've signed up for Webull, or if you want to see how it works firsthand before signing up, stick around. Right now, you'll get a cash bonus of $200 up to $30,000 for signing up, opening an account, and depositing. The link below will take you directly to the sign up page where you can claim that cash bonus if you're interested. To start, hit the market tab, then paper trade near the top. By default, your account is set at $1 million, but you can fully customize this by starting with as little as $1 or as much as $100 million. It's completely up to you. To improve fastest though, I'd recommend starting with the amount of money you have to trade in real life. So if you have $1,000, start your paper trade account with that amount and practice growing it like it's the real deal. To buy stock, hit paper trade to search. Let's use Apple for this trade tutorial. At the bottom, hit paper trade and we can fill out the order form. We're gonna buy and sell shares step by step so you can confidently get started yourself. Leaving buy selected, you'll then choose your order type. This is the backbone of your trade because it determines how your order actually goes through. With paper trading, there are 5 order types you can practice with. Let's walk through buying shares using a market order and selling with a limit order, the two most important to know as a beginner. So what even is a market order? Think of a market order like going to a coffee shop. You walk up to the counter, see the listed price on the menu, and decide to buy it at that exact price. No negotiating, just paying the price as is. A market order works the same way. You're buying or selling stock at its current price, no questions asked. Next, enter the number of shares you want to buy. You can tap total or any of these fractions, and Webull will automatically calculate the number of shares based on the cash available in your paper trade account. Let's buy 4. Time in force doesn't matter for market orders, but it's important when using limit orders, and I'll explain that in a second. At the bottom, you'll see the estimated order cost of about $815 and your available buying power. To submit, hit paper trade, and just like that, you've placed your first trade. At the top of the confirmation screen, it says filled, meaning we now own these shares and we can track our performance from our paper trading dashboard. So how do you sell stock? Back on the order form, make sure sell is selected. Choosing limit for the order type this time, you'll see more information to fill out. But what is a limit order? You can think of it like buying an item on Facebook Marketplace. Instead of paying the listed price, you send the seller an offer for what you're willing to pay. A limit order works the same way. You set the max price you're willing to pay for a stock or the minimum you're willing to sell it for. If the stock hits the price you set, the trade goes through automatically. If not, you just wait until it does. For limit price, say you only want to sell if Apple trades at $225 per share or higher. Even though Apple isn't close to $225, we can set up this trade now so the order automatically goes through when or if it hits $225. Next, enter the number of shares you want to sell, then choose trading hours. This determines when your order can go through. You can choose to have the trade execute during regular hours only or during both regular and extended hours. Stocks can experience crazier swings during extended hours, but a limit order protects us from that by guaranteeing we get $225 or better for our 4 shares. So we're going to include extended hours here. Webull also recently rolled out overnight trading, making it possible to buy and sell 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This isn't available with paper trading, but it is something to look forward to when you begin live trading. Next is time in force. This controls how long your order stays open before it automatically cancels. So if we select good till canceled, our order will stay open for 60 days. And if Apple's share price never hits $225, the order will cancel and we'll keep our shares. You'll see the estimated amount you'll receive at the bottom, then hit paper trade. Webull's warning us here that the price we set and Apple's current share price has a large difference. That's okay. It just means it'll likely take a while to sell the shares. Hit continue and your order is set to go through when Apple hits $225. To fully understand how to use Webull as a beginner, check out this Webull app tutorial for complete beginners covering the features that actually matter as a trader or investor.